Good morning, it's me, Diva Mejias, with my 2 cents regarding taxes today. As I go through this morning, reviewing all of the tax credits that are available to you next year, I bump across one that I think you need to know about, okay? Very important. If you are one that has been receiving your child tax credit in advance payments, you will have to make sure that when you get your taxes done and you go to your tax professional to get that done, that you take with you the letter that you're going to be receiving from the IRS, which is the 6419 letter. Okay, that is going to tell the tax preparer how many individuals you're claiming for that tax credit, child tax credit, and it's going to reconcile on your tax return what it is that the tax return has as dependents. So remember, if you told the IRS that you had 3 little babies and you're receiving $300 for each one as a child tax credit on your tax return, you sure as heck better have 3 little kids on that tax return, and then you can reconcile it. And don't worry, if you don't have that letter, it's going to be very difficult to do your tax return unless you go ahead and you create an account with the IRS. You can use the ID.me account and create your ID to verify your identity, and then you can get it done. But don't forget, you must reconcile that child tax credit that you got. Now, what the heck is the child tax credit? Well, you know, in prior years, it used to be a $2,000 per child credit, and $1,400 of it was refundable. Last year, it changed, if you recall, with the Consolidated Appropriations Act, the American Rescue Act provisions that we have that we're going through right now. And I'll give you a little idea. The child tax credit now is fully refundable as long as the taxpayer, remember that you are here in the United States and that you have a social security number, right? Okay, the child tax credit amounts for 2021 with $3,600 for each qualifying child under 6 years old, and $3,000 for each child over 5 years old under the age of 18. No income, including no earned income, is required to claim that credit. So it's a very good credit for those individuals that really need it, okay? Now, there are, you are subject to some provisions and some income phase out amounts, but that's beside the point. What I'm telling you is my 2 cents is make sure that you get that letter, you take it to your tax preparer. If that tax preparer doesn't understand what that letter means, which I'm sure they do, we've got really great tax preparers out there, okay? I'm sure they know now. But just as you're planning, as you're going through your gifting and you're going through your Christmas holiday, make sure that you just don't toss that letter from the IRS, put it to the side. Put it in an envelope, label it taxes for your tax, preparation. And that's my 2 cents. If you have any questions, it's Diva Mejias, 402-850-8830. Here always to help you. I'm on 96 and L. So give me a call. DM Financial Services, Diva Mejias, Complete Tax and Business Solutions for you. And that's my 2 cents. Thank you.